From September 16th to 18th, 2024, Rakuten's culture leaders gathered for their annual summit in Rakuten Crimson House West. The three-day event covered topics such as building sustainable partnerships, inclusive hiring processes, and cross-cultural management, with the aim of helping participants to become more effective leaders in the D&I space. 38 leaders, mostly representing Rakuten International's 5 employee resource groups and Employee Diversity and Inclusion Committee, hailing from different business units across 6 countries, gathered in person for a range of workshops, training sessions, and discussions. Around 100 participants joined virtually for executive sessions, including a message from Rakuten Group's Chief Wellbeing Officer, Seichu.
Your activities will create a bright future for us. Your activities will create our culture. So let's create society where each and every one of us can live a life as you like.
There was also a panel discussion featuring executives from across Rakuten International.
I think for me, it's been important to have female advisors outside of the company because I'm consistently in rooms where I'm the only woman at work. Going to look for a woman with a long career and a lot of deep history, the reaction I usually get, especially if I have a very specific question, and it's not an open-ended question, is so positive and so welcoming that I recommend you guys try that if you have women here who have a specific problem.
And the event concluded with a fireside chat with Rakuten International CEO Amit Patel.
I've certainly experienced the impact and the necessity for diversity more so over the last 5 or 6 years than ever before. It sort of trained me to always be conscious of who is in the room because of those decisions and because of the fact that we have that diverse opinion. It hopefully makes us make better business decisions.
This year's summit should help to further strengthen Rakuten's D&I efforts worldwide.